വെൽക്കം ടു എഡീന അക്കാഡമി. എഡീന അക്കാഡമിയുടെ പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. SJVN Limited, a joint venture of Government of India and Government of Himachal Pradesh, an ISO 9001 on 2000 company. A Navaratna CPSC, career opportunities in a growing organization. അഡ്വർടൈസ്മെന്റ് നമ്പർ 122/2025. ക്ലോസിംഗ് ഡേറ്റ് വരുന്നത് 18/5/2025. SJVN Limited, a Navaratna CPSC under administrative control of Ministry of Power and Government of India, was incorporated on May 24, 1988 as a joint venture of Government of India and the Government of Himachal Pradesh. SJVN has commissioned 14 projects totaling on 2,467 megawatt of installed capacity and has its business footprint in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Gujarat, Arunachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Assam, Odisha, Mizoram and Madhya Pradesh in India, besides neighboring country of Nepal. For more details about the company, candidate may log on to website address കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Website address www.sjvn.nic.in. The company invites applications from energetic and promising professionals to join SJVN as executive trainees in its exponential growth journey as per the details given below. Pay scale, involvements and other financial benefits. Executive trainee bar E2. Pay scale 50,000. Up 3% DA up to 1,60,000. Allowances. In addition to basic pay, the executive trainee will be entitled to IDA allowances at 35% of basic pay under criteria approach, HRA, company leased accommodation, contributory provident fund, conveyance reimbursement, leave encashment, performance related pay, medical facility for self and dependent, etc. as per extent company rules. On successful completion of training period of 1 year, executive trainee will be regularized as engineer or officer in the same pay scale with 3% increment. Further career progression will be guided by the applicable profession policy of SJVN. Number of posts and qualification. Number of posts and essential qualification for different disciplines of executive trainees are as under. Discipline. Civil. Discipline. Civil. Essential education qualification, bachelor degree in civil engineering. Number of posts unreserved 9, OBC non-creamy layer 8, SC 5, ST 3, EWS 5, total 30 vacancy. electrical, bachelor degree in electrical or electrical and electronics engineering, unreserved 5 vacancy, OBC non-female 4 vacancy, SC 3 vacancy, ST 1 vacancy, EWS 2 vacancy, total 15 vacancy. Mechanical engineering, bachelor degree in mechanical engineering, unreserved 7 vacancy, OBC 4 vacancy, SC 2 vacancy, ST 1 vacancy, EWS 1 vacancy, total 15 vacancy. Human resources, graduate with 2 years MBA or postgraduate diploma with specialization in personnel or HR. Unreserved 5 vacancy, OBC non-criminal 1 vacancy, EWS 1 vacancy, total 7 vacancy. Environment, bachelor degree in environment engineering or 2 years postgraduate degree in environmental engineering or environmental science. Unreserved 5 vacancy, non-criminal OBC 1 vacancy, ST 1 vacancy, total 7 vacancy. Geology, MSc or MTech geology or applied geology, geophysics with engineering geology as main subject, or MSc or MTech in engineering geology. Unreserved 4 vacancy, non-creamy layer 1 vacancy, SC 1 vacancy, EWS 1 vacancy, total 7 vacancy. Information technology, bachelor degree in engineer in computer science or computer engineering, information technology. Unreserved 2 vacancy, OBC non-creamy layer 2 vacancy, SC 1 vacancy, ST 1 vacancy, EWS vacancy illa. Total 6 vacancy. Finance, CA or ISEB Finance, CA or ICWA, CMA, 2 years MBA with specialization or 2 years MBA with specialization in finance. Unreserved 9 vacancy, non-creamy layer OBC 6 vacancy, SC 2 vacancy, ST 1 vacancy, EWS 2 vacancy, total 20 vacancy. Law, graduate degree in law 3 years LLB or 5 years integrated course. Unreserved 3 vacancy, non-creamy law, non-creamy OBC, non-creamy layer 2 vacancy, SC 1 vacancy, EWS 1 vacancy, total 7 vacancy. Unreserved total 49 ഉണ്ട്, non-creamy layer 29 vacancy, OBC, SC 15 vacancy, ST 8 vacancy, EWS 13 vacancy. Total number of posts 140. All degrees or qualifications must be full-time regular course except CA or ICWA CMA qualifications. All degrees or qualification must be from a recognized institute, University of India, and must be recognized by respective statutory authorities, UGC or AICT, etc. Further, the essential education qualifications mentioned against the discipline are sacrosanct and no equivalent qualification will be considered. Candidate having regular full-time 5-year BE or BTech plus ME or MTech integrated dual degree in engineering relevant discipline shall also be considered. Candidate having scored 50% or more marks for SC/ST, PWD/BD categories and 55% mark for other category will be eligible to apply, with the exception of CA, ICW, CMA, wherein only simple pass will be eligible. Minimum percentage of a mark in essential qualifications are specified shall be considered as per institute or university rules and norms. Rounding percentage will not be acceptable under any circumstances. Hence, 55% or 50% of mark and above, as the case may be, only considered 54.99% will not be considered as 55. Where CGPA, OGPA, CPI or letter grade in degree is awarded, equivalent percentage of mark shall be calculated as per norms adopted by university or institute. The candidate is required to obtain and submit document to proof candidate proof or certificate to this effect from university or institute, which shall be recorded at the time of personal interview or at the time of personal interview and group discussion. Candidates who are in final year will also be considered for this selection process, provided the candidate submit a copy of final consolidated mark sheet of essential qualification on or before 31/7/2025. Number of posts reserved for PWBD and identified disabilities. Civil, oil, OA, HS. Electrical, oil, HS. Mechanical, oil, HS. Human resource, OA, oil, BL, OA, AL, BLB, HS. Environment, OA, oil, BL, OA, AL, HS. Geology, OA, oil, HS. IT, OA, oil, BL, OA, AL, BLB, HS. Finance, BL, OA, oil, OA, AL, BL, OA, HS. Law, oil, BL, OA, AL, BLB. Age and relaxations. Upper age limit is 30 years for all posts as on closing date of advertisement. However, the relaxation in upper age limit for reserved posts shall be as under. SC/ST 5 years relaxation. OBC non-creamy layer 3 years age relaxation. PWD belong to unreserved or general EWS 10 years. PWD belong to OBC non-creamy 13 years. PWD belong to SC/ST 15 years. The relaxation in upper age limit shall be applicable for PWD candidates irrespective of fact whether the post is reserved for or not provided post and will suitable for PWD. Concession for JK candidates upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years for the candidate who had ordinarily been domiciled in state of Jammu Kashmir from to 89. Relaxation for excellent man, age relaxation for ex-service man will be as per Government of India guidelines. OBC non-candidate will require to produce the latest certificate in the prescribed format Government of India from competent authority issued in the financial year 2025-2026 or within 6 months at the time of interview. If called for, OBC candidate belonging to creamy layer are not entitled for OBC concession and they have to indicate their category as general. EWCനും സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യണം. Selection process. Eligible candidate will be required to appear for computer-based test, followed by group discussion and personal interview. After CBT, professionally shortlisted candidates shall be called for personal interview, group discussion. സെലക്ഷൻ പ്രോസസ്സ് വരുന്നത് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ബേസ്ഡ് ടെസ്റ്റ്, അതായത് CBT മോഡിലുള്ള ടെസ്റ്റ് വഴിയാണ്. ടെസ്റ്റിന് ശേഷം ഷോർട്ട് ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തവരെ പേഴ്സണൽ ഇന്റർവ്യൂവിനും ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഡിസ്കഷനും വിളിക്കുന്നതാണ്. The final selection of candidate will be based on the parameter CBT score, performance in group discussion and personal interview, carrying weightage as under parameters and weightage. CBT score 75%, group discussion 10%, personal interview 15%, total 100%. CBT സ്കോർ 75% വെയിറ്റേജ് ആയിട്ട് കൂട്ടുന്നത്. ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഡിസ്കഷന് 10% മാർക്ക്, പേഴ്സണൽ ഇന്റർവ്യൂ 15% മാർക്ക്, അങ്ങനെ ടോട്ടൽ 100. ഫോർമാറ്റ് ഫോർ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ബേസ്ഡ് ടെസ്റ്റ്. Format of computer based test. Format of computer based test CBT. Exam duration 2 hours. Format of questions 150 multiple choice question MCQ of 150 mark. Medium of examination Hindi and English. മീഡിയം എക്സാമിനേഷൻ വരുന്നത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലും ഹിന്ദിയിലും ആണ്. ഫോർമാറ്റ് 150 മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും, 150 മാർക്കുമാണ്. എക്സാമിനേഷൻ ടൈം ഡ്യൂറേഷൻ വരുന്നത് 2 മണിക്കൂറാണ്. ഹിന്ദിയിലും ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് അവൈലബിൾ ആണ്. സിലബസ് സെഷൻ 120 സെഷൻ സിലബസ് സെഷൻ 120 multiple choice questions of the relevant discipline or subject. Section 2 30 multiple choice questions for general ability, logical reasoning, intelligence test etc. സിലബസ് വരുന്നത് സെഷൻ 1 120 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. അതായത് എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഡിസിപ്ലിൻ ഏതാണെന്നോ അതനുസരിച്ചായിരിക്കും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഏതായിരിക്കും അതിനനുസരിച്ചുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിരിക്കും. 30 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ജനറൽ എബിലിറ്റി, ലോജിക്കൽ റീസണിങ്, ഇന്റലിജൻസ് ടെസ്റ്റ് എന്നിവയായിരിക്കും. മാർക്കിംഗ്: ഈച്ച് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ വിൽ ക്യാരി 1 മാർക്ക് ആൻഡ് നോ നെഗറ്റീവ് മാർക്കിംഗ് ഓർ റോങ് ആൻസർ. Further, no marks for unattempted questions will be assigned to candidate. മാർക്കിംഗ് വരുന്നത് ഈച്ച് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ വിൽ ക്യാരി 1 മാർക്ക് ആൻഡ് നെഗറ്റീവ് മാർക്ക് ഇല്ല. ഓരോ ശരിയുത്തരത്തിനും 1 മാർക്ക് വീതം ലഭിക്കുന്നതാണ്. നെഗറ്റീവ് മാർക്ക് ഇല്ല. റോങ് ആൻസറിന് നെഗറ്റീവ് മാർക്ക് ഇല്ല. അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യന് മാർക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നതല്ല. PWD candidate may get provisions of compensatory time. PWD candidate may get provisions of compensatory time, that is 20 minutes per hour. The minimum qualifying marks in CBT shall be 50%, 75 marks for unreserved or EWS, and 40%, 60 marks for the reserved category candidates, SC/ST, PWD or OBC, non-creamy layer. Wherever the vacancy is reserved for the respective category. Marks obtained in CBT shall be considered by SJVN for shortlisting the candidate in order to, in the order of merit, for further selection process that includes personal interview and group discussion. Candidate will be shortlisted in the ratio of 1:5 maximum for each post as per the criteria decided by the management. Test centers. Test centers for CBT will be as follows: New Delhi, including NCR, Chandigarh, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, Dehradun, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla or Mandi, Bilaspur, Solan, Kangra, Hamirpur, Una, Kulu, depending upon availability of test centers. ഇത്രയും സ്ഥലത്താണ് ടെസ്റ്റ് സെന്റേഴ്സ് ഉള്ളത്. Candidate shall be required to choose any 2 test centers as per preference 1 and preference 2.